Hey guys, so I just got up. I'm leaving my house right now. Sorry, I just thought I forgot to lock the door, but I remembered I did. I'm gonna check the mail one sec. My birthday dress is here for my 21st birthday, and it's a Friday, so I don't have any classes. I'm gonna go get a coffee from Dunkin's because I've become addicted, and I'm also maybe gonna get an acai bowl because I've also been addicted to that. I've been getting those like multiple times a week from the same place because it is so good. I just got my dress for my 21st birthday, which is in like a little bit less than a month now. Oh yeah, another thing, I just started using this like new face cleanser, and so since I've been using it, my skin has been clearing up so much that like I don't really wear face makeup that much anymore. So if you guys want me to do a skincare routine, like I can definitely do that. I'm sitting at this random park. I drive by it like all the time, and I have my iced coffee and my acai bowl. I'm just like sitting here chilling, enjoying the sunshine. Yeah, I'm just really loving the sunshine. I'm in a robe and the fire alarm is going off.
Record now. I'll do a story time with Molly. So I was in the bathroom, and like I was waiting like 20-30 minutes maybe for a bathroom, and then finally like eventually I see the door open. All of a sudden I walk to the bathroom, and then like two people are there, and I'm like, why are these two people here? Like I just am trying to like piss, and they're like, okay. So then I'm like, boy, like shut your eyes. Like he's like, shut the door. I'm like, okay. I'm like, shut your eyes. Like I have to pee. And then he shut his eyes. He's like, okay. And then this other girl's like shutting her eyes, and then I like lifted my skirt up and like went to pee, and then I peed, and then he like was still shutting his eyes, and I was like, okay. And then I was like, dude, this is gonna look a lot sketchier than it is. And then I like walk out the bathroom, and like I'm like with some guy and girl, and I'm like, nah, dude, I told him to shut her eyes.
That's your most embarrassing moment.
What's the most embarrassing moment that has ever happened to you?
For me, it was in high school. I was a freshman, and I had a lot of upperclassmen friends, and it was my first homecoming like pep rally, and they're like, okay, Sydney, come sit with us. So I sit with them, and it was really fun. But at the end, I fell off the bleachers, literally like 2 stories, fell off the bleachers, rolled over, and people were laughing at me. They weren't even like, are you okay? Like, let me help you up. They were just laughing at me.
The other day, I fell asleep standing up.
Oh!
A few weeks ago, I have a 9 a.m. class. I literally woke up standing up.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I woke up and I was like, I literally woke up like, what the f***?
Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you on whatever Friday, and I will see you on Friday.